APIs power the digital world, but not all APIs are created equal. Some run on dedicated servers, always active and available, while others operate on demand in the cloud, scaling automatically with the usage. This brings us to the discourse on serverless APIs versus traditional APIs. And why does it matter? For most businesses, APIs are fast becoming the backbone of digital operations, powering websites, mobile apps, payment systems, and customer interactions. The way APIs are hosted and managed can impact scalability, cost, performance, and maintenance. Making the wrong choice could lead to bottlenecks, downtime, and unnecessary expenses. So, which API suits your needs the best? That's exactly what we will explore in this video. Let's break it down. Traditional APIs are hosted on dedicated servers, always running, requiring manual scaling and maintenance, while serverless APIs are cloud-based, automatically scaling and only running when requested. Both serve the same function, handling requests and sending responses, but work differently under the hood. Choosing between serverless and traditional isn't just about tech. It's about efficiency, cost, and scalability. Businesses care because of scalability as serverless grows with demand, while traditional needs manual upgrades. Also because of cost, as serverless is pay as you go, while traditional has fixed costs even when ideal. And additionally, serverless is fully managed, reducing infrastructure headaches. If you are running a highly variable workload, serverless can be a game changer. But if you need predictable performance, traditional APIs might be the better fit. The key differences between serverless and traditional APIs include scalability. Traditional APIs need manual scaling, serverless auto-scales instantly. The traditional APIs have a fixed cost while serverless follows a pay-as-you-use model. Traditional APIs require ongoing updates. Serverless is cloud managed. Traditional APIs are always on, while serverless may have cold starts. Traditional APIs suit stable workloads, while serverless handles variable traffic. If you're wondering when to use which, remember that if you run a banking system that processes millions of transactions daily and requires constant uptime, going serverless would be a right choice if you are building a startup app enterprise application that needs full control and want to minimize costs and security compliance effortlessly. Traditional is the way to manage an e-commerce site. It's also suitable when your company operates a SaaS platform with steady, predictable traffic. You can also go serverless if you develop event-driven applications like chatbots or IoT services where APIs are called only when needed. Remember, by choosing the right API model for the right use case, businesses can optimize performance, reduce costs, and ensure scalability. Traditional APIs offer stability and control, while serverless APIs bring flexibility and cost savings. The right choice depends on your needs. In the comments, let us know which API model you prefer and why. And if you need help navigating the right choice or anything related to APIs, reach out. Our API engineers are here to help. Drop us an email to start a conversation.